Data mining is the process of turning raw data into useful information. It's big business. Everyday companies find more and more ways to make money selling your data. That data can come from unusual places, such as your vacuum cleaner. Tonight, our consumer reporter Steve Sbragia asks, what's the deal with spying appliances?
As the Roomba rolls about your home, it's collecting more than dirt. It's collecting information. No, it's not listening to your conversations, but it is making a map of your home. And that is valuable.
My Roombas help me keep control of my very chaotic house.
Lindsay Gibson likes her Roomba so much that she has two, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. As the Roomba goes about its job, it constantly updates the maps it makes of your home to keep it from running into things.
This is where my couch lives, my sectional. These are my dog crates.
Here's how it works. Roomba's software captures images of a room, comparing those images to gradually build up a map, essentially creating a blueprint of your house. Roomba's maker says it would like to share that data with third parties.
Mapping out my floor plan is one thing, but knowing exactly the contents of my house is a completely different story.
The Wi-Fi versions of Roomba are now compatible with Amazon's Alexa, and the company says if it decides to share that data, it'll transmit it by Wi-Fi.
The Roomba of tomorrow may be able to scan what furniture you own and figure out your income of your home or your TV watching habits.
Roomba's makers say they won't share that information without the informed consent of consumers.
I don't really want it spying on me. It's kind of concerning.
But if you're leery, I can show you how to disable the Wi-Fi function on your Roomba. All you have to do is to press these three buttons, hold them in for 15 seconds. Remember, if you disable the Wi-Fi on your Roomba, you lose the ability to control it by voice. Also, you can no longer remotely schedule a cleaning, but you keep all your information right inside your home. That's the deal. I'm Steve Sbragia, CBS, North Carolina.